My name is Lieutenant Commander Brandon Hempler. I'm Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo for the United States Navy Blue Angels. Here at the Blue Angels, every single day we strive for perfection. From briefing our flight to flying our flight to then debriefing our flight, we spend hours debriefing every single maneuver so that we can find those little imperfections that we have, and we are always seeking to turn those into the perfect flight. We have yet to have it, but every single day that is what keeps us motivated and keeps us persevering so that we can go and have that perfect flight. The advice I have for anyone watching this is basically the advice that I've followed my entire life, and that is treat people how you want to be treated, be the person that you want everyone else to be. Always working hard, striving for perfection, setting your mind to meeting the goals that you have.